Good morning, good morning, good morning. I hope everyone is doing well and having just a wonderful time. This morning I'm just having a wonderful time in the Lord by listening to some wonderful worship music. I stumbled upon or was led to, that's what I'm going to say, to this guy. His name is Mr. Calvin. I guess it's Noel or Nowell. And this is on YouTube. And you may have heard just a snippet of one of his songs. I hope I didn't record too much to get copyright. But yeah, it's really nice. But I'm headed to the salon this morning. It is Saturday. And I need to be there early, so I'm already dressed and ready to go. Just taking my hair out. This is what I'm wearing today. I have on an old dress by, I think it's Ann Taylor. Yeah, this is an old Ann Taylor dress. I've had this dress for I don't know how long. And I decided that I was going to wear something else. And then I would have to iron that. But I just wanted to wear a dress. Flipping through my closet, I came upon this one. I had this since I was teaching high school classes. And that's been some time now. Probably a little over 8 years. Yeah. But I can still wear it, and I thank God for that. And I'm going to show you this dress. I just put my feet into some black slides. And I'm going to show you my outfit for the day. And today will probably be very uneventful. But tomorrow, I get with my siblings because my niece has invited us to her house. And she's calling it Siblings Day. So I'm getting excited about it. I am elated to be spending time with my siblings, my family. So I'll see you soon.
My hair has always been wild, so. Ooh, shower feel good. Oh.
I had to come in and say good morning. Today is Sunday, and I'm looking forward to worship service today, as well as time with my siblings. I hope that we can make this something that happens often, not annually, but more often than that. I love spending time with my family, and right now it appears that all of us will be there. Yes, and I'm looking forward to it. I'll have to take my hair out in the car because I'm running late. Don't want to irritate my on-time husband. I want everything to go well. So I'm going to take my hair out in the car. And that'll be the next place I see you. You've seen me take down my braid outs before. And I have a braid out this morning because I wanted it to look good. I was a bit tired last night but could not sleep. I was somewhat restless. So I got up and shampooed my hair, a quick shampoo. And then I plait my hair. And one thing I noticed, and I will talk about that in another video because this is going to be a different video. And this may be the beginning of a video about what I have noticed about my hair. See you soon. So we got rice, corned beef and cabbage,
Peas and snaps.
peas and snaps, big turkey wings and turkey necks. Okay. But what's this other thing with the nuts on it?
Sweet potato souffle.
Sweet potato souffle, fried chicken, and rolls. And this is the cook. Desiree help you cook?
No, she did ask me if I needed help.
Okay, but
I
you
did stuff
didn't.
in stages, so.
Oh, okay. All right. Ricky, which plate is this for you? The third?
Since
Fourth?
I looked back 3 times already.
Oh, that's the second one? Okay, all right. I was just trying to make sure.
You document that. Okay?
I got it documented.
I should have heard Kathy that she had a solo.
Oh, Kathy, you sang today, girl. You didn't. Go ahead, sing it again.
I didn't even tell Miranda.
Oh, she did. But I could always pick her voice out.
I think last for 3 months or more. I got to go into it.
Oh, my God.